What up? It's your boy TC Goobagori 651. You already know, coming straight out of St. Paul, Minneapolis. Now, I mean, it's the homeboy Jay right here. Y'all got my reaction video of the Man in the Screwdriver flick. Y'all already know my reaction, but I want to see the homie shit, so I'm gonna go ahead and play this shit for y'all and let them watch. Enjoy.
Oh, what?
You are demons. I think the only thing you'll taste today is your own blood.
Keep watching. Keep watching.
Nah, man. Nah, man. Nah, dude, get that shit out. Nah,
Keep
man.
watching.
You don't watch this. Goofy ass man.
Keep watching. You see a word?
Oh,
Go ahead.
I gotta leave.
Keep watching.
You actually put a screwdriver in this shit?
Keep watching, man.
How long is it?
The screwdriver?
No, the video.
Not long. They say that shit went through his urethra. He split his shit open.
No, man.
Well, YouTube viewers, I'm sorry, but my dude, he punked out.
Oh, man.
He punked out.
I might have nightmares on your dumb ass.
He
I'm gonna
punked
be
out.
scary as hell. I'm be screaming in the middle of the night on that shit like, ah!
He punked out. Sorry about that, y'all YouTubers, but y'all get some more of my shit.
Hey, I seen enough of that. No more of them little nah. Take that shit off.
Alright, I'm gonna cut this. Alright, peace, y'all. One love.